Today I'll get you up to speed with what's new at the shop, and then we're gonna do an unbox and a complete teardown of one of our custom e-bike seats. You don't wanna miss this.
What did we accomplish in 2022? Well, let's start with the website. We hired a designer to give it a total makeover. It's now much easier for local customers to understand our services, and buying a custom e-bike seat is simple and straightforward. Throughout the pandemic, people were still renovating their homes, but the e-bike scene completely blew up. We shipped over 400 seats in 2022, and our lead times went from 9 weeks all the way down to 2 weeks. We even got a booth at the biggest electric vehicle expo in the country. It was such a blast meeting all the new people and letting them see our work up close and personal. We've been at this new location for 3 years, but I can imagine moving to an even bigger spot in the future. With a larger budget, we hired 3 new people to help take on all the new work. On the furniture side, we've since upgraded a lot of our equipment, landed bigger contracts, and we have a much more spacious front area for our customers. It's the little things that bring a smile to my face. We have a small yet dedicated team that still believes in this lost art, and I plan on keeping this place open for many years to come.
All of our custom e-bike seats come in a box just like this. Don't use any sharp tools like a scissor or a machete to open this thing up. For all of my ASMR friends. This one in my hand is a Scrambler. It's in the low brat style. It's about 3 inches high. You'd get your seat in this very manner, safely packed with plenty of newspaper wrap. The next step is we're gonna take this apart from staple all the way to the last bolt. Put on your hard hats. So we're here in the workroom. We're gonna take apart this seat. We wanna make sure that we take out the hardware. These are important. These help keep your seats in place, so make sure you don't lose them. So this here is a little cover so that it looks a little nicer, looks a little neater. But we're gonna take it off. These are an upholsterer's #1 tools. These are the peanut butter and jelly to take apart anything, whether it be a couch, a bar stool, or an e-bike seat. So let's get to it. So now I'm gonna show you what goes underneath the seat. We have a gel insert. As you can see, has a line going down the middle. It helps you keep this centered whenever you're putting it together. We glue the foam to our gel insert. We glue the cover to the gel. So this base is about 3/4 inches. The foam thickness is 2 inches, and the gel insert is 1/2 inch. These sides look like they've been cut using a ninja's sword. However, this is all done by hand. We use a level. We make sure that all of our sides are even, not bulging out in any one particular area. We've got gel, we've got foam, we've got a base and hardware. We're ready to go. So at this point, we now have to add a new fabric onto this.
It's a perfect time to recover this seat with one of our new designs for 2023. We call this one the Hill Fighter. With its racing stripe and backlift, you'll be ready to ride on any slope, off-road or not. Available in both genuine leather and marine vinyl, this design allows for more color combinations, and I think you'll love it. Our new Hump Deluxe merges stitching designs from 2 of our most popular options. Midway Arrows is a style inspired by the interiors of supercars, and Grommet Borders is an option that will offer for both short and long seats alike. Finally, keep an eye out for some limited edition seats inspired by some of my favorite comic book characters. Leave your best guesses in the comment section below. Over the past 3 years, what started off as me trying to buy an e-bike led to establishing this small shop into a top-tier place to help customize your ride. Even after shipping hundreds of seats, in order to grow, small changes were needed. There wasn't anything on our seats that made it distinctly ours. For our products to stand out and to increase brand awareness, we've decided to put our logo on all items going forward. We take pride in our work, so when you see our logo, you'll know you're getting your money's worth. For those of you that want the e-bikes brand or your own logo instead, that's totally fine. A small logo of ours will be placed on the side to let people know you have an official Saul seat. It's an idea we've been considering for a long time, and I'm excited for this next step to making Saul's Upholstery the go-to place for custom e-bike seats.
Now that you know what goes inside the country's best e-bike seats, make sure you pick one up today. Don't forget to get some merchandise, support small business, and last, ride safe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.